Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. Hello, hello, hello. And yes, my name is Julian again. To those who are first time to see me, go live. And I'm here in Antioch, California. Time check muna tayo. Today is 11:56 a.m. in the morning, October 4, Friday. Yay! Hey, so it's Friday. And yes, you might see me every day on Go Live because we have this 90-day success challenge ongoing right now. And and it's because I want to uh, three main reasons that I want to change is for personal development, for personal growth, for professional growth, and to form a new habit. Kasi alam naman natin is forming a new habit is a really hard one to do, o di ba? Lalo na nga yung pag-exercise or pagda-diet, ang hirap gawin. Pero sabi nga nila, it takes days. And that is, it takes 90 days for our subconscious mind to be acquainted o ba acquainted? Para masanay ang katawan natin sa bagong habit na introduce natin. So that is why we are doing this 90 days success challenge. And it is ongoing right now on our team. And every day we have a topic where we share our stories, our experiences, our insights and our opinions. So every day yan. So sa ngayon is, ano ba ang ano ngayon? Today is our 75 days na aming 90 Days Success Challenge. And wala kaming tanong ngayon eh. But we're asking everyone, our viewers, our audience, to share something or to ask something. So ask me anything and we'll share the answer. Nako, parang ang hirap naman nun. But while waiting for, for my viewers, oh ba, may 3 million na. So yes, I have 3 million in the house, 5 billion in the house. Keep it coming. Thank you for coming into my live for today. And kasi parang may work kasi ako ngayon kaya maaga, o 'di ba? Pero kapag wala, nagmamadali, nagpapahuli. But anyways, I'm here on my live today, and before I'm gonna jump into those questions of my audience, ito muna, I'm a business owner and a business mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And this is a life-changing opportunity, guys, for you to check. And we have our website, www.josonkit.com, where you will enter your name and your email address to get the information. Yan yung first step to get the information and to have an overview of our business. So, yun, and if you want to proceed with the step 2, if you para makapag-step forward ka, huwag ka lang mag-grade 1 lagi. Mag-grade 2 ka naman, 'di ba? Para makita mo kung ano talaga yung ginagawa namin, kung ano yung business namin. So that is the blueprint and the black and white of our business. And you can say na, is this for you? Is this the right fit for you? Then if it's yes, and if you want to be successful and read the minds of those successful people, you can proceed to step 3. So, yun, 'di ba? And at the same time working for your future. So, yun po. Pero sa business na to, ang daming mga benefits at saka maganda yung platform nila. And we are encouraging everyone to do go check our website and to see walang mawawala po sa inyo. It's a win-win situation. So, yes, I'll jump into topic ngayon, ang aming challenge ngayon. So, alam, dami na. O, di ba? So, just wanna say, hi, sis Virginia. Uy, congrats. One day done. O, di ba? Nakatulog si Bibe. Buti na lang natapos mo. And sis Maristel, hello for coming into my live. Sis Jeans, hello, hello. Aba, hi, sis Virginia. Aba, ang dami mga tanong. Hi, Kuya Coach! Hello! Grabe, na-miss ko na yung mga lives mo. I think I have to go and watch your replays. Oh my gosh. And then, Sis Virginia ulit. Ano bang ano ni Sis Virginia? Saan ba siya kasi ito yung thank you for the stars. Ang dami na namang stars dyan ah. First question. Aba, ito na. Why choose our digital business? Bakit? Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba? Parang ang daming dahilan, ang dami kong naisip. Parang there's a lot of reasons. Um, yung main reason kung bakit ako nag-join is to have a supplemental income and to have a para mag-retire ng maaga. Kasi we know naman that life is short. Life is unpredictable. So, iniisip ko na why not enjoy because all the while na I'm working, all the time that I'm working, I'm helping my family. And this time, I want to give myself I want to give myself a big shot na mag-try ng business to have a supplemental income and to retire early so that you can retire early para ma-enjoy mo yung life, 'di ba? Habang may ginagawa ka, may business kang na-settle na, at least may ginagawa ka na for the retirement and at the same time helping your family para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagtulong mo. Yun yung main reason ng pag-join ko sa digital business. But along the way, there's a lot of it na ang dami nang pumapasok ng mga rason kung bakit at saka na-realize kung bakit nga ba napa-join ka talaga ng business. But the main reason is, yun yung main reason ko to retire early and to have a supplemental income. So, natanong ko kaya yun? And, hi, can I ask anong hair, ano, air conditioner ko? Ang ganda kasi, ay, pwede bang sabihin dito? So so walang ano 'yan, walang conditioner 'yan si Maristel, woke up like this. So 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 ayoko promote ng ibang product, eh, kaya but anyway, if you want to check kung anong conditioner ang ginagamit ko, go to my website. Just enter your name and your email address and the answer will be there. Oh, 'di ba makikita niyo sa step 2. Nasa step 2 siya kaya tingnan niyo. Oh, 'di ba? Kung excited kayo sa aking hair conditioner. Oh, 'di ba? So, sabi ni Sir Coach, question, how does it feel to finish a challenge in a 90 days at that? Grabe, nakaka-proud. Napasigaw ako 'di ba sa Kuya Coach kasi totoo naman it's very self-fulfilling. Kasi self-fulfilling talaga siya kasi parang na-boost yung aking self-confidence and self-esteem. At first, wala talagang lumalabas na words sa aking bunganga but embracing my authenticity and embracing coming out from my comfort zone. Talagang iba pala 'pag lumalabas ka sa comfort zone mo. It is there you will see the magic. It is there you will see the success. Yung parang masasabi mo na, "Wow." Parang hindi hindi para parang sa business o naman sasabihin natin, it will be, for our business to progress, 'di ba, to succeed. Parang ginagawa naman natin 'to para sa ating business. But the thing is, along the way parang na-realize mo na, wow, parang nakakaano lang talaga, parang ang dami mong natututunan tapos na-realize mo pala na ganito ka pala, hindi ka ganito or yung personality mo pala ganito, yung gano'n, yung yung parang more na nakikilala mo yung sarili mo at saka more na nakikilala mo yung business mo in a deeper side. 'Yan. Kaya parang, nakaka-proud talaga. And I'm very, very thankful that we are doing this as a team at saka lahat talaga nag-jump in nung sinabi ni Sis Maristel na who wants to join the 90 Day Success Challenge and yes, Gora, why not, 'di ba? And then here am I, ang dami ng dakdak. Thank you for that question, aba, ang gagaling ng mga question. Second question, how do you improve yourself every day? Improve myself every day, ah, ano ba, improve myself every day showing up and doing it consistently. Oh, kasi doon 'pag doing it consistently, you will see na ang dami mo palang dapat i-improve, ang dami mo palang dapat na gawin, ang dami mo palang dapat iniisip, nagiging idealistic ay hindi idealistic, nagiging creative ka at saka nagiging, conscious at saka sensitive ka din sa mga audience mo. Kaya showing up every day alone on this 90 Days Success Challenge is improving myself. Yahoo! Tama ba? Aba, pang-ano talaga, Miss Universe ang mga tanong. Kaya kasi sabi ni Sis Shay, Florati Kuya Coach daw or they accomplish po kuya. At the same time, nakaka-miss na rin ang Go Live. Parang naging part na ng life ko. Yes! So we have to do it because this 90-day success challenge is only step one. Step one lang to. So we have to continue on what we are doing. So if you miss it, just go back and do it, di ba? Kaya ko ginawa din ito kasi parang sa ngayon pa nga lang parang gustong-gusto ko na hindi ko na sasabihin ko na hindi pala ako maggo-go live or ito na lang ang gagawin ko. Pero yun pala, iba yung feeling pala 'pag talagang nagpakita ka na. Yung, parang makikita mo na na ang daming nanonood sa'yo, na ang daming natutuwa sa'yo, na ang dami mong nai-inspire na hindi mo alam. Kaya parang show up ka lang ng show up. You never know. You never know talaga kung sino ba talaga ang malalighten mo ng day. So, yes, uh, go na live na ng live. Kung sabi ni yung sabi ni ano ni Sis Saucon na nung una takot na mag-live, tapos nabawasan na ng takot na mag-live, tapos ngayon pagkatapos na ng 90 days success challenge, live na ng live na ng live. O 'di ba? Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang. Kanta ka muna sis bago mo sagutin. Ay! Anong tanong? Huwag mo ng kanta kasi we are reserving that for our 90 days, ano ba yun? Graduation day ba yun? Kasi may graduation day daw kami for our 90 days success challenge. On our, pagkatapos daw nito, may graduation day. Parang start na naman ng another, uh, parang it's magandang sabihin na commencement exercises kasi another opening chapter, another chapter will be opened after this 90 days success challenge. So, more challenge pa. Kaya kayong nag-aantay diyan, tuloy-tuloy lang dahil may susunod pa, hindi pa ito katapusan. O, 'di ba? Sis Maristel, hindi pa 'to katapusan, 'di ba? Ang dami pa ang dami pa nating gagawin. So, Sis Rosemary, ay oo nga pala, Christian song na complete dapat. Dapat, OMG. Baka matulog tayo kaya kaya pass muna diyan sa ating song, oh, 'di ba? Yung kung gusto niyo makita yung yung mga songs, mga intermissions, mga ganyan, join us on our 90 days uh 90 days graduation exercise or commencement exercises. So that will be October 19, no? Yan na, in-announce ko na. Excited na eh, o 'di ba? And wow, you woke up like that. Yes, Sis Laristel, woke up like that lang. Nakakatuwa. How do you manage stress in any kind of stress? How do I manage stress? Ako manage stress, ano ba, sa akin parang parang wala. I just say na sasabihin ko lang sa aking sarili na, "Oh, that is another blessing." Parang, "Oh, it's okay. There's another day or it's another day na haharapin." At tsaka iniisip ko na lang ito lagi kong iniisip, buti nga ako, ito lang yung naranasan ko or ito lang yung problema ko ngayon. Eh, yung iba mas may malaking problema pa. Laging yun lang na lang yung iniisip ko pagka ganyan na nai-stress ako. And sometimes, kapag nai-stress ako, lalabas na lang at kakain, yun lang. Talagang sa food lang talaga 'pag stress. Kaya ako tumaba, nasobrahan sa stress. But anyway, hindi. Gano'n lang talaga, labas kain, 'yun lang paglabas ng stress. And, tsaka hindi ko masyadong dinidibdib kapag may stress kasi. I just, let it flow or let it pass on na parang haharapin, haharapin mo na lang kapag, okey ka na. Kapag, sa akin is, medyo ipa-lie down ko muna ang stress and then I will face it when I'm okay. And, 'yun. Tsaka laging yun ang ina-advice ko sa aking mga kapatid or mga nanay na, if there's a stress, wag ka munang mag-react. Hayaan mo muna. Tapos, mag-react ka na lang kapag na-collect mo na yung self mo or yung thoughts mo. Kasi 'pag minsan if, there's the stress, yung iba kasi is sugod na ng sugod. Hindi mo rin naman maiwasan yun kasi talagang gano'n din sila. But sometimes you have to, you have to think. Ako lagi kong iniisip yung ibang tao. Lagi kong iniisip ang, surroundings ko bago ako magre-react. But otherwise, if it cannot be controlled, lalayo na lang muna ako. At saka ako babalikan kapag ayos na. Ganun na lang. Yes. Aba, si Sis Fe, aba, wow, pang miss you. Oo nga, pang miss you ang mga tanong nila, ano? Galing-galing, parang fast talk lang ni Tito Boy. Mabilisan lang talaga dahil ang dami pang magla-live. What skills do you think are essential for someone what skills do you think? Aba, nag-aano parang bumabawi si Gina sa tanong ko. Parang bumabawi lang si Gina sa tanong ko kanina. What skills do you think are essential for someone looking to succeed in the digital business? Skills, hindi kailangan ng skills kasi you have to just embrace your authenticity. Your authenticity alone is a skill. I-embrace mo lang siya at ilabas mo at ipakita mo lang sa tao na yun ka talaga. And it's up to them if they will love you or they will hate you, but you know what, you are not here, or you are not here in the business to please someone. Kaya nga ako nandito kasi we don't bug, we don't sell, di ba? And we have our system that is working for us. So yun yung talagang naano ko na dito sa digital business. You don't have to be someone very skilled. You just embrace your authenticity, and that's it. Woke up like this. so so kaya yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa digital online business. Yes. So yun, at saka hindi ka na talaga mahihirapan na mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Just be yourself. Yun lang. Kung kapareho ako kayo na maraming freckles, oh well, anong masasabi niyo sa akin? Marami din akong freckles. Yun. So, how do you feel, sabi ni Sis Virginia, how do you feel going out of your comfort zone? Grabe, nakaka-proud sis. At saka nakaka-lighten ng pakiramdam. Kasi parang 'yun yung yung tipong may problema ka na hindi mo mailabas-labas. Nandun ka na pero bitin na bitin ka dahil hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. But embracing talaga your authenticity, parang ang luwag-luwag na sa pakiramdam, hindi na mabigat. Kasi, parang nalalabas mo na kung ano talaga yung ikaw at saka nalalabas mo na talaga kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. Lalong-lalo na dito sa business natin na, we have this, life-changing opportunity and, na na alam mong magugustuhan at magbe-benefit talaga ang karamihan. So yes, yan ang aking sagot. Oh, wow. And how do you Sis Jins, bumabawi ka bumabawi ka ba sa mga tanong ko kanina? How do you handle criticism or negative feedback online? Oh, kilala mo na ako niyan sis, 'di ba? Kung may nagsabi sa akin ng lalo na sa trabaho, kilala mo na ako, eh. 'Pag may nagsabi sa akin ng mga negative na ganyan, 'di ba hindi ko masyadong dinidibdib. Um, titingin lang ako tapos titingin ako sa'yo na tatawa lang ako, 'di ba? I always, make it, positive na ganyan at saka I'll just smile. Smile lang ako parang parang 'pag minsan nga parang, "Is she joking or is she gano'n talaga yung kasi sa akin hindi ko talaga dinidibdib masyado kaya barely you will see me or if you know me, barely you will see me crying or barely you will see me cry. Kasi, iiyak lang talaga ako kapag yung talagang pinakamahal kong tao ang, naano. Pero kapag sa mga negative feedbacks, sa mga criticisms, ayoko kasi ng stress kaya that's why all those criticisms and negatives I just, ano na lang, ano ng tawag dun, kini-kick ko lang ba palabas. Hindi ko pinapasok sa akin or hindi ko sini-sink in sa akin. So kini-kick out ko lang siya, 'yan. Kick out ka na sa aking buhay gano'n, gano'n. So, yes, so that is how I handle, kasi ako yung tipong taong, hindi 'yun, light lang, bubbly lang, hindi masyadong but 'pag, pati sa Yeah, you know me naman sister, 'di ba? Nakikita mo ako kung papaano and I just, 'pag nilabas ko, I just, say it or spit it out and then wala na. Yung mga pero mga criticisms and negative feedback, I don't usually, sink it in or I don't usually accept it on my sa sarili ko. Kick out kaagad, o 'di ba? So, hala, sabi ni Sister Virginia, hala, graduation na hindi pa ako nakalahati, drop out na talaga ako. Ang dami mong promissory note, sister. Kailangan mo daw humingi ng promissory note kay Dean. At saka sa counselor's office, kailangan mo ng promissory note. No, hindi. Basta tuloy-tuloy mo lang sis, be consistent and just do. We know naman that you are a very, very, very busy person. Now you have kids and you have work at the same time. Housewife, o 'di ba? So talagang busy ka and just do it, just show it at nakikita naman namin 'yun na you're doing your best talaga and we're very, very happy on that, ay 'di ba? Kaya tuloy-tuloy mo lang, hindi mo namamalayan natapos mo na din 'yan. And how do you show up on Go Live when the day that you don't feel like showing up? Ayun, I'll just I'll just be on my ideal self. Ideal self na because my ideal self is a happy person. Na wala sanang galit, hindi marunong magalit, hindi marunong magtampo, hindi sensitive, ayan. I'll just think of my ideal self and go live and then show up. And then I will say na iwan ko muna din. Diyan ka muna. Diyan ka muna, Jao, dito muna ako, Julian, parang gano'n 'no, or diyan ka muna, Julian, dito muna si Jao, parang gano'n. So parang parang dito ko rin natutunan sa Go Live 'yan, how to show up na, kasi you have to separate your life sometimes with your personal and your business. So, yes, gano'n lang and, kaya nga 'pag minsan gusto kong hiramin yung ano mo, character mo si Shay kasi ang galing mong mag-ano, mag-interview and that's what I wanna learn on how to do interview kasi iba yung ikaw ang nagsasalita at saka iba yung may kausap ka. Kasi 'pag minsan 'pag may kausap ako natatameme ako and, if there is a question, I'll just, do the question, okay, answer, question, answer, parang gano'n lang. But going with the flow na parang si Sis Maricel, kayo parang nakikita ko na, wow, ang gagaling nilang mag-interview, nakakaano, nakakainggit. Siguro 'yan yung gagawin ko yung gagawin ko kapagka nakita kong kaya ko na and, 'yun. And watch it again later sis, labas na kami ni yes, sis, no problem, there is always a replay. Yes, appear, sabi ni Sis Jiz, tama 'di ba? So, kina so how did you convince yourself to start the Go Live? I convinced myself, um actually, nung unang nakikita ko, I didn't believe na parang go live yung isang way. Kasi there are a lot of ways naman talaga. Yes, you can work, but it will take like slow, parang mabagal. So parang sabi kong ganyan na at saka yung paiba-iba yung trend, especially in our business, digital business, paiba-iba talaga yung trend. So sabi kong ganyan, it's really time to come out from my comfort zone because I want to change. I want a change in my life and I want this business to work out. So if you have a big why and a reason na malaki at mabigat, talagang mapapa-go ka, eh. So yun lang. So at saka yun din yung sinasabi ko sa iba at saka yun din yung nire-remind sa akin ni Gina. Sa ngayon hindi pa, sa ngayon sa tingin nila hindi pa nila kailangan like, offering our business, kasi yun din yung pinapasok niya sa akin. Nung una kasi is, akala mo naman di nila kailangan gano'n yung mga sinasabi ko 'pag shine-share ko. Kasi, when I share it with my warm market, especially with my warm market, they don't even, care or they don't even, listen or see kung ano ba talaga yon. Tapos laging nire-remind sa akin ni Jeans na, hindi pa nila kasi nakikita yung ano, yung hindi pa nila nakikita na talagang kailangan nila. Antayin lang nila at darating din 'yan na kailangan nila. So, parang gano'n din yung nag-hit sa akin nung time na 'yun na I really have to do it because the trend is changing pala, the trend is changing. And yung ibang tao, talagang iba talagang hinahanap nila. And we are on attraction marketing. So we really have to make ways or do ways, maging resourceful tayo para ipakita or i-share yung ating business. So yun ang nag-convince sa akin that the trend is changing and we are on digital business. Yes. So, si Kuya Kuch, can action takers get into this challenge too before they become a business partner? What is your site? If it's okay, will it help in their decision to jump into their business? Kuya Kuch, yes. Sa action takers, um, 'di ba? Kasi may mga action takers na ano, na galing na sa ganitong ano, yung sa pagla-live, 'di ba? Parang pagpasok nila parang ang bilis-bilis nila at saka ang bilis nilang, lumipad na parang agila talaga. So this is what we are telling that, you are all, to those audience, to our audience who are watching there, they are already using the social media, 'di ba? They're using also already the social media, but they are not earning as much what we get, 'di ba? And as much what we do. So, kaya nga in-encourage natin sila na why not take an advantage of what you are doing to use it for a better purpose, 'di ba? At saka sa mas malaki pang paraan na nasa likod mo. Oh, hindi lang yung parang nakikita natin kasi ngayon is 'di ba, ang dami na ngang kumikita sa pag-o-online sa Meta, sa pagre-reels, ayan, sa TikTok, sa Instagram, ayan. But, pero paunti-unti lang 'yon. Why not, give it a try to check our business where you can take an advantage of it na magbibigay sa'yo ng, fixed income, 'di ba, in the future. Kasi yung sa ngayon, yan lang yung ginagawa mo, but does it give you a fixed income? Yun ba yung patutunguhan, yung magkakaroon ka ng fixed income? Kasi yun yung goal dito eh. So why not take an advantage of it? So yun. And if okay, would it help in their decision to jump into their business? Yes, it will really help, especially if if they will able to see the business and check it in our website, and then proceed to step two. They will realize on step one alone, if they will watch the free webinar. So guys, watch the free webinar. On that alone, you will realize that get to this challenge too before. Yeah, they will realize na talagang kikita sila dito, 'di ba? Kasi saan ka pa makakakita ng may system na silang gumagana para sa kanila, may website na sila, may funnel na sila na gumagana para sa kanila. So mate-take advantage na talaga nila 'yon. And they are already comfortable showing up and doing these things in social media, then why not take an advantage, 'di ba? So, tama ba 'yun, Kuya Kuch? Maganda kung may feedback. O sige, sabi ni Sis Jeans, tumawa siya sa aking mga sagot. So ba, love it. Oh, thank you, Sis Shay. And then, sabi ni Sis Maristel, grabe, napaka-spontaneous sumagot. Thank you! Dahil yun sa Go Live, 90 Day Success Challenge natin. O, di ba? And then, Sis Shay. And the winner is, thank you, Sis Jao. Thank you, sis. Daming questions pero nasagot lahat. Thank you, girl. Kota na sis Gina sa mga questions. Oo nga, nakota. Talagang pinaano niya ako doon. Nagganti eh. Tumawa pa. Watching your live nearby the ocean. Hi, sis Salcon. Good morning dyan sa New Zealand. And straightforward ka ba kung mag-respond? Just came in. Yes, straightforward. Straightforward lang po, Tita Beth. And yes, tumawa si Jean sa akin. Yes, bakit lang yan? Ngingiti tapos na, yes. Ako talaga, pag sa mga nega, sa mga criticisms, I just gaganon lang ako sa katabi ko, tapos tawa lang ako. Ganyan. Or ganyan lang sa mata. Tapos, yun na, tapos na. And then move on na sa mga criticisms and feedbacks. So, kasi pag isisingin mo pa yan, kawawa, ikaw ang may stress. Di ba? So, si Salcon Moreno from Middle Earth. Aba, talaga naman. And pang-miss yung tanong ni Shay, oo nga eh. Ang mga tanong ninyo, ang bibigat, nakahabol. And LOL, nilabas ko lang yung talent mo, Jow. Ayan, proven na. LOL. Yes. Ano ba nga may talent ba ako? Ano nga bang talent ko, Jeans? Wala naman akong talent, wala akong nilabas. But anyway, yes, I'm very thankful. Last night, I just don't feel like coming out from my Go Live, but I have to do it because nasanay na. But last night, I just felt bad because there are people talaga in our business. That is what I'm telling na in our business, we encounter a lot of challenges. And one challenge is yun, yung crab mentality. There are really people that will really ano yung parang ininega yung mga sasabihin mo or i-share mo. Yung kasing pangit na nakita ko is yung pag-i-stalk, yung ini-stalk ka na alam mo yun na you're just offering someone or somebody and then someone is following you to say negative things on what you are sharing. Parang nakakaano lang yun, nakakasad na may mga ganung tao na napaka-negative nila and they're not grateful to their life. I just felt bad for them kasi isipin mo na lang kung ano yung buhay nila at the back sa bahay, 'di ba? Parang ang dami nilang problema or ang dami nilang bigat na dinadala pag gano'n. Kasi, yeah, we are challenged with those kind of people, especially being a crab mentality. Even, lalong-lalo na yung hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo or ano, but, for someone like us na we are just sharing something, an opportunity, just to check for them to check, tapos susunod na may magsasabi ng negative, 'di ba? Parang nakakasad lang. And, yun lang and, sa yung masasabi ko lang sa aking mga business partners na may mga gano'n na mga experiences, just move on. At least, you've shared, at least you've shared the opportunity and then just move on. Siguro hindi hindi nila deserve yung opportunity na yon and hindi para sa kanila yon. There is someone out there who deserves more and better uh, on your business. So just keep on sharing. Don't be shy or don't be frustrated if someone did that to you. Just keep on sharing. It just means that someone is listening. That someone is listening na tama yung ginagawa mo. Pero inggit lang yon na ayaw ka lang niyang makitang umangat. So tuloy-tuloy mo lang. That person doesn't need that that kind of opportunity, 'di ba? Tsaka hindi mo na kailangan yung mga ganong business partners. And then if that prospect na nilalapitan at nakinig sa nega, hindi mo din kailangan ng ganong tao. Yung kailangan mo yung may positive, 'di ba? Yung positive mindset. O, 'di ba? So yun lang po. And thank you so much sa aking mga ano ngayon, mga ang dami, napahaba, 33 minutes na, oh, 'di ba? 33 minutes na and thank you so much for this very much engaging live for today and ang haba and yes guys, just check on our website www.josankit.com for to check our business on what we are doing and what opportunity it will give you. There's a lot of opportunities and benefits that you will get, especially kahit na sundan nyo kami sa aming day 1 to day 75, ayan, natakal na lahat ang mga ang mga ang platform, ang community, ang business, o 'di ba? Ang social media and what we are doing, natakal na lahat and still looking forward on what will be the next topic for this coming remaining days. And yes, this is our 90 day success challenge and this is only the step 1 of what we are doing. And I'm very, very thankful and grateful to all my business partners out here who really supported us and who inspired us on what we are doing, 'di ba? Nakaka-gain kami ng mga insights and learnings in life, especially sa aking mga ate dito, mga tita dito, 'di ba? So instant akong nagkaroon ng mga ate, mga tita, mga kapatid, mga kuya, ala, nakakatuwa. And I really love this community and I'm very, very grateful on this community that I have right now. So if you want to be with us who are very grateful with each other, join our community www.josankit.com and you will see everything, di ba? And then just message us if you have any questions or you need to know more. So thank you so much, and have a good day and blessed day, everyone. Today is Friday, so enjoy the weekend with your fam bam. O, di ba? So, thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Thank you, Tita Beth, for everything, di ba? I felt better when you messaged yesterday, when you sa comment mo yesterday, and I felt better talaga. And thank you so much. And I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thank you, thank you.